Hey guys, I figured I would do a little haul today. This is just some stuff that I purchased for the kids, mostly for back to school. Reese is not in school yet. She'll be 4 in December, so I'll probably have her start preschool next year, but I figured I would show you guys what I bought. So first I'm going to show Reese's things because they are just so adorable. Riley's more like grown up now, I guess. I can't believe she's going to be 10 soon, but anyway. Also, I did purchase some of Riley's things already in person, so I won't be showing those because they're already put away, and that was like a week or so ago. I'm going to start with my Kohl's purchase that I got online, and I got 20% off, so that was amazing. This is only Reese's stuff, and like I said, I had already purchased some stuff in store with Riley, and then I bought her some jeans that I will show you after. So I just bought Reese a couple pairs of these gray leggings in a 3T because she does still fit 2T. She's very small for her age, but I figured I would get 3T for this next year because she'll definitely be growing into them. And then I got her 5 pairs of the black leggings. She won't wear jeans. Riley was the same way, and I know a lot of other kids are the same way where they will only wear leggings. So I bought her a bunch of leggings, just plain, nothing colorful or designed or anything like that. Then I bought her 2 long sleeve shirts, a pink one and a black one. These are just the Jumping Beans brand, the softest tee. And also this order, I hate when they do this, but they only sent part of the order and the rest will be here, I don't even know when. So the next chunk of things I'm going to show you are also from Kohl's. They are Little Co by Lauren Conrad. I had no idea that Lauren Conrad had clothing. These are 100% organic cotton, and I loved that the items were very neutral, and I love that. I did purchase her 2 swimsuits for next year as well. One is like a light pink, like a mauve, like dusty rose kind of, that says local on it. I also purchased her a dress, and there's like another t-shirt that hasn't come yet. I got this top. It's so cute. I can tell this is already going to be huge on her, but it's cotton, so it will shrink a little bit. It has like little palm trees and just, it's like very desert vibe, and it's so cute. And then I got her this t-shirt, which I just think is adorable and just super simple. And then I got this Peace, Love, and Sunshine t-shirt, and this one, it says Babe on it. This is by Lauren Conrad as well. Comforter set. It's really funny that they call it a set because it's only 2 pieces. It only came with the comforter and the pillowcase, but this is it. It's reversible. So it's stripes on one side, and then on the other side it's just woodland critters. And this is the comforter set, and it's also reversible, and I love it. Organic as well. I turned into a snob when it comes to bedding. All of us have linens, and I honestly would never go back. Next, I'm gonna show you what I got for Riley. So I already went and took her, and she purchased some shirts, some tops that she liked, and I told her I would buy her jeans online because we just really couldn't find anything that she liked, and a lot of the jeans that I have come across weren't very good quality. So I went on Abercrombie Kids and I bought her 4 pairs of jeans. This is 1 pair, just, you know, just basic skinny jeans. These ones are my favorite ones. Some of these are actually jeggings. I think 1 pair is actual jeans, but these were all on sale. I would never buy full priced Abercrombie jeans for my child because obviously children grow so fast, but I think that for the year these were a good deal. They were on sale, and these ones are my favorite ones. These are like kind of like an acid wash kind of look, so I really like those. These ones are high rise, super skinny, really dark. And then last but not least, this pair is kind of dark, but not as dark as the last pair that I showed you. None of them have holes or rips in them. I love going on to Abercrombie Kids' site when they have sales because they really do have amazing quality clothing. Last year I purchased Riley a few pairs of sweatpants and some leggings and biker shorts from, I think they're called biker shorts, or are they bicycle shorts? I bought them for her on Abercrombie Kids, and some t-shirts from there as well, and she loved them. She still wears them to this day, and they were her last year's clothes for school. So I think that it's worth it if you can find good deals when they're having sales. They last you a really good amount of time because they're such good quality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I never do haul videos on anymore, but I will start doing them if you guys are interested in seeing them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Okie dokie! Okay.
Hi.
Hi, my baby. Oh, I love you, my little redhead, my little ginger.
I got my daddy.
You got a mustache? My sweet little angel. There's the belly. There's the baby. You're not a baby no more, huh? You're not a baby anymore.
Yeah.
No. Can I have a hug? Here, come here. Give me hugs. Up.
I have that.
Oh, you want to hug backwards, upside down? My little bubbles. Say bye.
Bye.
You're so cute.